And now I have to carry this all the way up. I just arrived in my tiny apartment. Oh my god, it's so cute and small. I really love tiny apartments because there's not much to clean and you cannot really buy a lot of stuff, so it's good for me and I really love it. So I just have to make it a bit more comfortable. I'll show you around later. I just arrived. As you can see, it's already dark outside. I'm so tired. Yeah, so this is the baths. I will try to clean it as much as possible and get a mattress topper and of course some duvet covers and stuff like that. And yes, also some decoration for the desk. I also found this one. It's like a hanger. And this is my closet, my fridge, and the microwave. This is my kitchen. It's really tiny, as you can see, but I think it's good enough. This is my tiny bathroom. Yes, I have a window and the ventilation, which is really good because like you're showering in the middle of the bathroom, which is kind of normal in those Korean small student apartments. That's why the shower head is connected to the sink here. To order from IKEA without Korean bank account, you can scroll all the way down and switch to English, which is easier, I guess. But leave it in the Korean location, of course. Then you can put everything you need or want into your shopping bag, go to the checkout, type in your address and name. And when it comes to the payment method, you can switch to English again. And there is a button which says Other Card. So you can choose Visa or MasterCard, which is quite common for foreign cards. And yes, that's already it. It's really easy and it worked really well. And while I'm showing you what I bought for the flat at one of the biggest Daiso stores in Seoul, I want to briefly say more about the flat and the costs, especially because I think that's what you're actually interested in. And I found this studio near Sogang University via the website Encore. This website offers various services for foreigners in Korea, including accommodation. This is no paid promotion or something. I just want to tell you honestly where I found it because I think many people are struggling with that when they come to Seoul. And yes, some information. I didn't pay any deposit, which is extremely rare in Korea. And for the studio rent, I pay 630,000 Korean won a month, which is approximately 530 US dollar or 460 euro. And I chose this apartment because it's really close to university and I don't have to make a huge down payment or buy a lot of furniture. So I can use that money instead to go to Jeju Island, for example, or travel around a bit more later. I didn't have a knife or a big scissor, so I'll just cut this open with my tiny scissor. So, yeah, see you in 3 hours then. because there's no real space for my jackets, I bought those suction cup hooks. I don't know what to call them, to be honest. Yes, now I quickly want to clean my windows. I think you can see like how dirty they are. Okay, way better. This is so satisfying, you know? In Korea, it's quite common to have this kind of window system. So you have one window which is more like blurry, and when you open this one, you have a clear one, because like privacy is really important here. The view, I think it's kind of cute. I mean, it's quite residential here. So I really like that, like more home feeling and not like vacation hotel feeling. I really like that.